What is up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This video is gonna be a little bit different, but you know, I don't know. So I don't want to quote anybody, so you know what I'm saying. Before I show you, please go ahead and consider subscribing, turn the notification bell on. If you want to support the channel, there's affiliate links down below. Other than that, let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm right here in my garage and I want to try to reorganize it again. So this is what I'm dealing with. This is going to be the before. I still don't know what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to show you the before and after. So before, I have my workbench back there. Remember, I have, let me zoom out. Okay, my toolbox right there with the bench on the side. I got my fridge. I think that thing's going to stay there. I got my shelves. I probably won't do anything with the shelves. Just reaccommodate everything, reorganize. Got my bikes hanging. I'm missing one bike. Yes, one bike and the one that is on the trainer, so there's two bikes. And then I got a mess going on right here. Extra shit right here. And then I have extra wood right here that I'm probably gonna build something with. And I got more bikes over here. Chairs, things like that. Spare parts, cans, spray cans, and all that good stuff. And I don't know. The thing is, on this side, this is where my truck goes. And I wanted to see, I kind of measured yesterday if I can fit a bike standing up against the wall. So I'm gonna try to actually hang all the bikes up against that wall over there and save a lot of space right here, because this is sometimes nerve-wracking, so I want to alleviate that. So we'll see how it goes. And what I also want to do is also make this bench a little bit shorter, because it's way too big and I just start piling things on top of that and can't even use it. So we'll see what we can do. So without further ado, let me get started and I'll come back once I finish what I'm gonna do today. And we'll see how it looks. Let's ride. All right, so I'm still at it, and this is what I got so far. I was able to disassemble my workbench. There's some of the pieces that I took off. There's a few more over here. Table saws right there, and a few cuts right there. And this is what I got so far. This is the workbench that I'm working on so far. The back part is gonna be the bottom, so it's gonna be flipped 90 degrees. It's gonna flip 90 degrees. This is gonna be the top part, and I'm planning for the table saw to rest over here. I'm just measuring, cutting as I go. But as always, measure twice and cut once, and that's what I'm doing. Let's keep working on this. All right, because I don't wanna have you holding. This is what I got so far. That thing is looking like a bench. I already have the wheels, the table saw mounted, and all I gotta do now is put a little bit of wood on top and on the bottom. And then I will have to see if I can either fit this in front of the truck when my truck is parked. And if it does fit, then I'm gonna use this empty space to hang my bikes, we'll see, like up against the wall, so that they're just leaning up against the wall. All right, guys, I'm I think I'm done for now. So let me show you exactly what I did and what I got so far. All right, so everybody, we all know about my toolbox over here that has the flap on the side that works as a bench. I used it on the videos before. And I have boxes behind those curtains. There's a black Texas flag. I love it. It looks super awesome. I still got a pot shop over there where I run some lighting and things like that. And that's just plastic covering the back. I gotta patch it, sand it, paint it. But this is not the main part. The main part, remember, I had my bikes hanging up on the ceiling and they were taking a lot of space. And look at what a big difference right now. So yes, let's go first things first. This workbench, this was the big workbench that I had all the way up in the back, all the way over there. It was like up to right there, between the middle of the Texas flag right there, all the way to the edge almost, and it was all the way to the edge of the little step right there. So I redesigned it for my needs. Still got my table saw, and I just put a piece of 1/2 inch plywood on top that I painted, and I think it looks really good. It pops it up, and it's just big enough on wheels so I can just move it along as soon as I need to. I hang my Texas flag because you know Texas. And this was the main purpose of the video. I want to have the bike standing up, actually all of them in front of the ram, but that will hit the front of the ram if I was to park it inside. But I noticed that since this workbench is not as big anymore, all I had to do was take a couple of 2x4s, secure it to the studs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 secures, doubles. So I have 10 screws, 3-inch screws on the top one, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8 on the bottom one, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fit hook right there because I still gotta go pick up my black Axum. But my 5 bikes are gonna be right here. That's the Mongoose Blackham, my Bromo, the blue Axum, the Polygon T8, and the space for the black Axum. And on the other side, the smaller bikes, I did the same method right here. So I just put I think those are 1/2 inch hooks. These are the heavy duty ones. I had to have my wife's bike all the way at the end, that way it wouldn't hit the ram. But then I have the 2 smaller bikes for my son and my daughter right here, and this is just perfect. And the black rolling bench right there, my chairs over there on the bottom, and this is working much better, much cleaner ceiling, and I'm loving it so far. Let me know what you guys think. So I know I still got a little bit more to do, but this is basically the main reason that I wanted to redo the garage. Back there, everything's just hidden right there, so I gotta fix that up a little bit better, but it's not on the way anymore. And I have a space for the ramp, I have space for another car inside the garage, and everything's looking a whole lot better with more space for me to do maintenance and things that I need to do. So if you found this video interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it interesting, still give it a thumbs up. If you want to support the channel, check the affiliate links down in the description below. And if you're new here, please go ahead and consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any future content. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.